In this tutorial, we're going to explore the uname command, a fundamental tool in Linux for displaying system information. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to use uname to find out details about your Linux environment, such as the kernel name, host name, kernel version, and hardware architecture. Let's dive in and uncover the power of the uname command. The uname command is a utility that displays system information about your Linux environment. This includes details like the kernel name, host name, kernel version, and the hardware architecture of your system. For example, typing uname in the terminal will output the kernel name. In the given example, the command uname outputs Linux. The uname command becomes more powerful when used with options. The most common options allow you to display specific pieces of system information. Using uname, A will display all available information, including the kernel name, host name, kernel version, and more. The command uname S prints the kernel name. You can also use uname, which shows the system's network node host name. Here are some additional options you can use with the uname command to retrieve specific system details. The command uname R shows the kernel release version. The command uname V displays the kernel version, along with additional details about when it was compiled. Using uname M will show the machine hardware name, such as x86_64. Finally, uname P prints the processor type or unknown, if the information is not available. Let's take a closer look at what each of these uname options does. The A option displays all information. This is equivalent to using the S, N, R, V, M, and O options together. The S option prints the kernel name, which is the default option when no flags are specified. The N option displays the system's network node host name. Finally, the R option shows the kernel release version. Let's explore some more uname options to get a deeper understanding of your system. The V option displays the kernel version with additional details about when it was compiled. The M option shows the machine hardware name, indicating the architecture like x86_64 or ARM64. The P option prints the processor type, but may return unknown if the information is unavailable. Lastly, the O option displays the operating system name, such as GNU/Linux. The uname command is a versatile tool with several practical applications. It's valuable for system identification, allowing you to quickly identify the kernel version and architecture, which is particularly useful in troubleshooting scenarios. It can be used in shell scripts to determine the operating system type, enabling platform-specific decisions. It helps to verify system compatibility before installing architecture-specific packages. Also, it is useful for including system details in logs and reports for better context. In summary, the uname command is a simple yet powerful tool for gathering system information. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.